that we've finished talking about the general features, we're going to go to settings. We're going to see what Windows 11 has to offer in settings. So to go to settings, there are quite a bit of different ways you can go about doing that. You can easily right click on your desktop, come down here and display settings. You can come here to the start button, and in apps you're going to find settings. On your keyboard you can press Windows plus I, and that will take you directly to settings. So here in settings we can see the whole stuff changed also. My information right up here, system information here, you can rename it. You've got other information. For example, if you want to update, last check for update, let's just go to update directly, and I have paused update. So you can do all that directly from right here on top. Now let's start with systems. Let's start checking everything with system. In system, if you come to display, you can adjust brightness of your screen here, the scales, display, the orientation, resolution, graphics, advanced display. You can fix all that directly from here. It also has HDR, which is good for gamers mostly. Bluetooth and devices here, you can come and just add your device directly. You can shut off or on your Bluetooth devices. You can add other devices, your printers, your scanners, your phone, cameras, mouse, touchpad, pen, and Windows Ink autoplay. You can modify all that stuff here, setting up a recovery USB, for example. Network and internet. Here you can fix everything that has to do with the internet. Personalization, so you can change your background. If I change it to this one, for example, and we come back here, you can see it all changed. Contrast themes, help with background. Colors, you can choose your color, whether mine, for example, in this case, I chose dark mode. If I want a light mode, I just come back here and you see everything is light. If I go to files, you see all my files. The file explorer is all white. So I don't want a light mode, I want a dark mode. You can even custom your mode. Themes, lock screen, you can lock screen images, apps, and animations. Touch keyboard, start, taskbar. This is where you fix everything you need about the taskbar. For example, you move it from the center, you move it to the far left. You can do all that here where it says task behaviors. You just choose either left or right, and you can even automatically hide the taskbar from here. Fonts, you can, let's see, these are the available fonts. Over the horizon, Comic Sans, these are the available fonts. You can change your computer fonts from here. And device usage, select other ways you plan to use your device to get personalized tips, ads, and recommendations with Microsoft Experience. As per apps, here you're going to find your default apps and other apps and features. For 9 apps found, these are all the apps that I have. If I want to default an app, I just come here and choose it. Accounts, information, my information as the account owner. Time and language, I can change it here if I want to. Language and region, type in as per keyboard. Gaming information, if you use your computer for gaming, you can just come here and control it from here. Accessibility, privacy and security. Here, if you want to track your device or you think you lost it, you can just come here, find my device, see all the devices linked to your account, and other general stuff like advertising ID, local content, app launches, etc., etc. Privacy, app permissions, you can either grant permission from here or not. And finally, Windows Update. This is where you update. So I'm extending mine for a week. If not, you just resume updates, and that's all.